Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be decorating the two front rooms that you see here. I will also be decorating the entryway. This is going to be the last clean and decorate with me before my spring home tour. That should be coming up very soon. I'm not sure if that's going to be the next video or if I'm going to have a video in between, but that will be coming very soon. I am so excited to show that to you, but for now let's just get to cleaning this disaster of an area and start decorating. So for this past week, I've been doing a lot of decorating throughout my house, and I have been doing a little bit of sewing as well. And this room seems to just attract everything when I don't want to go and put it away, or if I'm going to use it for something, but not at the moment, and I'm just trying to clear out a room. I don't know if you guys do that, but sometimes my stuff gets kind of moved from room to room as I'm cleaning and never really get put away. But today I am going to be putting everything away and I will be doing some cleaning. So now that I have the table completely cleared off, I'm going to be cleaning it, and for that I will be using the Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner, and this is in an almond scent and it smells really, really good. And the cloth that I am going to use to be cleaning this table off is just a flour sackcloth. I love using these for cleaning purposes. They work beautifully and they don't get soapy and weird like sometimes the microfiber cloths get. So now that the table is all clean, I'm going to start decorating, and I'm going to be using this white and green check fabric for a table runner. I don't even remember what I had made this for. I want to say it was like a curtain with like some rings, like clip-on rings, so it doesn't have like a pocket rod or anything. So what I did was I just folded it in half, turned it into a table runner, and then I'm just going to start decorating. I thought the green would look really pretty with the lavender that I'm going to be using, and I will be using these lavender colored mason jars or ball jars, and I thought they would look really pretty and give it that farmhouse look. And then I'm just going to be using that same Dollar Tree lavender that I used in the other rooms in my house, and I'm just going to stick those in there. And then at the bottom I really wanted to stick with those napkin rings that I had used on my mantle. And if you haven't seen that video, I will go ahead and leave a card here so you can view that if you want, or I will just go ahead and leave it in my description box. But this is a really cute trick if you want to add some type of greenery to the bottom of a candle, or what I'm doing here is you just unsnap these little napkin rings and then you just place them around at the bottom, and I am using 2 on each side. So as you can see, I did decorate the bottom of this centerpiece here where I have the scales, and the reason why I did not add this to the video is because I'm going to be switching it out. Once I had the table all set up, I looked at it and it just felt way too busy for me. So you'll see here in a minute what I end up doing. But before I do that, I want to quickly show you these beautiful shabby chic looking farmhouse napkins that I picked up at Home Goods a while back. I want to say was fall or Christmas time I got these. I can't remember. Maybe it was Christmas time. But what I did was I just took a jute rope from the Dollar Tree and I just tied that. Nothing pretty. I just wanted to make it look a little rustic but add that beauty to it by the ruffles on the napkins. So I just tied it in a tie, nothing crazy. And then right here I ended up switching out, I think I had like some Easter eggs and some greenery, those green balls, and I didn't like it at all. It just felt way too busy for me. So I took that out, and then what I'm doing is I'm just using this lamb's ear wreath, and I want to say I got that at either Hobby Lobby or Walmart, I can't remember. But then I'm also taking the lavender and just adding a few pieces of that to the wreath, and then I'm going to add the lavender to these napkins as well.
It's been a while since you found me here. I was in the mud under all. Yeah, it's been a while, but I remember it. Even if I lose my mind, I'd still recall.
So since I was decorating this room, I wanted to do a little bit more than just decorate the table. So I thought I would switch out these panels. And while I'm doing that, I want to show you what I'm using to hang the panels, because I do get asked this quite a bit. And what I am using are just plain curtain rods, and my husband cut those to fit the size that I wanted, and then I just added the sides. I got the ends, those curtain ends, I got those from Hobby Lobby, and then the rings I purchased at Home Depot. And yeah, I'm not sure if I already said that already, but the curtain dowel was purchased at Home Depot as well.
'Cause I wouldn't know how to move on. Yeah, I wouldn't know how to move on. Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with.
So before I finish vacuuming in here, I want to quickly show you this little trick that I am using for my magazines, to hold my magazines in. And I just took a Tabasco basket and I just placed some of my favorite magazines in there, and then just set it underneath this chair.
Closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love.
So I recently purchased this really pretty white pitcher at HomeGoods, and it was only $7.99, and I really thought it would look pretty sitting here on this table. And I just took a garland and put the end of it inside of the pitcher and then just kind of draped it over the table. And then I thought it would look really pretty if I just added some lavender to the top of that. And I love how this turned out.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Down by the sea, at the edge of the water, the coming waves kiss my feet. The touch from the warm wind that's blowing reminded me of you. I don't know for how long I can carry on. Pretending that
So now that I have those two rooms cleaned and decorated, I am going to head on over to this area right here by my front door. I'm going to put things away and vacuum over here, and then I am just going to switch out the wreath, and then I'll do a little bit of decorating, not too crazy. I kind of wanted to keep it a little on the simple side. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to decorate for summer just yet, but I wanted to keep it simple and light and airy over here. I didn't want to clutter this area up too much.
and that it will be fine in the end. I step into the water to wash away the pain. The devil's breath on my neck, but the touch from a warm wind is blowing in, is keeping me safe. I don't know for how long I can carry on, pretending that everything's alright.
Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation as well as some decorating ideas and decorating inspiration as well. If you are new, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.